Hey, it's Gina with WTI. My favorite thing about this Molili Moroccan rug is how incredibly soft it is. You won't believe it until you actually touch it yourself, but it feels like puffs of cotton even though it's made from polyester. I absolutely love the way that it feels on the bottom of my feet and on my hands when I happen to just be sitting on it. One of the other things I like about it is that it is low pile. So I was looking for something that I could put either in my bathroom or in our kitchen and my cupboard doors would still open. Some of the other rugs that I have that are higher pile, they get in the way, and that's just so annoying when you want to be able to open your cupboard door and have your rug stay in place. I think the colors are really stunning. I love the pop of blue. This is the Moroccan blue style, and I think the aesthetic can go in a lot of different areas, which I really love. I got the 2x3 rug because we live in a small home, and I'm always looking for a smaller rug that can fit into a lot of different areas. And as you can see, I'm able to use it in many different locations in our home. Because this is a thinner rug, you do need to be careful that it doesn't get sucked up into the vacuum. So you might want to use it on the brushless setting. I'm really pleased with this rug. I think it really fits in well with our home, and it is, again, so incredibly soft, and that's my point of view.